months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
Law enforcement was dispatched to disturb this call. They met with the witness who stated that she believed defendant is a homicide suspect and that she is inside an abandoned warehouse.
She's a homicide suspect?
That is what the witness said, Your Honor. Law enforcement contacted complainant who stated no one is allowed inside the warehouse. Law enforcement observed a no trespassing sign all over the premises and boarded up openings. Law enforcement made several calls out to the defendant to come out, but she continued to hide. A drone was flown inside the warehouse and the defendant was seen hiding from law enforcement. A canine unit was sent in and the defendant was located and arrested.
Was this a business or what was it?
It's an abandoned warehouse, Your Honor. And like they indicated that everything had no trespassing sign, everything was boarded up, so nobody would enter.
Mr. Rodriguez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. You're ordered not to go back to this location. You have already missed court once. If you ever miss court again, there will be no more PR bonds for you.
Am I
You
able to
understand?
speak?
Don't, it's not necessary. You have the right to remain silent. You need to exercise that right. I've got DAs here. Whatever you say, they're going to sit there and they're going to use it against you to try to prove your guilt. So it's best not to say anything now. We can talk about trying to get you a lawyer and you can tell what you need to say to the lawyer, but whatever you say now, they're just going to try to use it to prove your guilt.
Okay, because some of that.
Stop. Don't,
Gotcha.
just don't. It's not a good time right now. At some point, you'll get the opportunity, but just now's not the time. Tell me, how do you support yourself, ma'am?
I'm homeless. Right now I'm in a shelter, because I was in a relationship, that's why I was able.
Hold on. All right. So I'm going to appoint you a lawyer today, but why are you not working?
I was in an abusive relationship, that's why I missed court. Why am I not working? My mom stole my two kids about 5 years ago and I got sad. So I was,
So mom, is mom around now?
she said she could take me to court.
No.
So,
No, Ms. Rodriguez. Why not live with mom
she doesn't
instead
want
of
me to
living
live
on the
either.
street?
She won't, maybe if
Isn't anything better than living on the street?
I want to live with my mom, but she says I'm not ready and I don't know what she means by that. I would love for y'all.
So here's what we're going to do. As also the condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to use alcohol or illegal drugs, and I'm going to test you. If I find that you're using illegal drugs, including marijuana, then likewise, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail.
Okay,
You know, the chances, Ms. Rodriguez, is that I don't know who you have in this life, but if I revoke your bond and make it 5 to 10,000 and you don't have anyone to put that money up, you will be stuck with me for who knows how long. It takes 6 to 9 months just to get a 911 call, and you can variably sit there for who knows how long. I'm not asking much from you. Don't use alcohol. Don't use drugs. We have resources for you. If you need anything, all you need to do is ask and we can try to help you get whatever you need, but you understand?
Mhm.
Okay, I'm gonna have you sign a reset. I'm gonna have you take a seat in the jury box while we find your lawyer. Okay,
okay.
please.
Judge, that's it for now. The other one has an attorney.
What's the last name?
Top of 18 Williams.
Okay,
Okay, I did.
All right, go ahead. Feel free to travel behind you. Do it. Okay. Thanks, Rachel, for your information.
good morning, Mr. Petunia.
Good morning.
Happy Wednesday.
What's that?
What's up?
Good morning, Mr. Fleischer.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Cool. Have fun.
Yeah.
You'll have to approach them.
Oh,
Is it old?
I'm being told I need to approach.
Who is it?
Silver nail.
Where's Mr. Silvernail now? Come up, Mr. Silvernail. I'm sorry, Mr. Petoniak. But it has come to my attention that you've not picked up yet another case. You now stand charged with violation of a protective order. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you.
June 14, law enforcement responded to a welfare check in Harris County, Texas. When they made contact with the complainant, she was visibly shaken. She indicated that the defendant knocked on her door and said that he had been in a motorcycle accident and needed medical attention at 1:30 in the morning. Defendant entered the residence and was ordered to leave by the complainant, but he refused. He entered her bedroom and attempted to hold and hug her while she was covered in a blanket. The complainant advised that the defendant did not want to let her go and was trying to force her to hold him. Did not leave until complainant contacted law enforcement. She began receiving messages from him in which he threatened to cut off his arm, which he had previously injured earlier in the day. The complainant advised that she had obtained a protective order against the defendant on April 29, 2026, and he was identified by his driver's license. Officers confirmed that there is a valid protective order currently in place for this defendant, prohibiting him from coming within 200 feet of the complainant and the residence where he was located. The protective order further prohibits him from engaging contact directed towards the complainant that is likely to annoy, harass, and abuse and harass her.
Okay. So we did order him not to go back to this location, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. He has currently an open harassment charge. I'm sorry, that one was dismissed 6-4. But he does have a protective order in place. We do have that. And then he had that deferred for the assault family member that he pled to in 2024. I was double checking to see still in place.
I don't think a motion's been filed on that yet.
No motion has been filed, Judge.
Can you-
Last time.
It has been filed.
It's been your queue.
Okay, there.
I'm s- I'm
Because
s-
last time he was here was 6/4/2026, where we amended his conditions of community supervision and extended him from 1 year on 6/4/2026. And this charge happened.
Mr. Silvernail,
6/14/2026.
I'm now signing a motion to revoke your probation and a warrant will issue as of this very moment. And let me tell you something, and I want you to hear me loud and I want you to hear me very clear. The Texas Constitution does not allow me, but in extremely limited circumstances, to have a hearing to hold you at no bond. You are now at that stage. You are charged with violation of a protective order. If I put conditions on you now, you violate these conditions, within 3 days, I can have a hearing to hold you at 0 bond, and I will do it in a heartbeat. A felony choking case, a harassment, you're on deferred for an assault, and now you've picked up a VPO. The next step is you violate conditions I put on you now. I will have a hearing to hold you at no bond. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
As it stands now, you are going into custody at this moment. I'm filing a motion to revoke your probation, and now we will have a hearing to determine if you violated your probation. So
And Your Honor, he made a $20,000 bond on the new case. He does have a bail bondsman on the way up.
I'm not, no, I don't care. This is the 4th case against the same complaining witness. He's on probation. There's a protective order, and yet it's over and it's over. Clearly, there's no non-financial conditions we can put to ensure that he's not going to violate conditions.
He does have an ankle monitor on this morning that he was in custody for 2 days when he picked up this case. So he was arrested Monday, Sunday or Monday. He made bond yesterday. So it was 2 solid days. He does have an ankle monitor on now. So I would considering the high amount of the bond he has already made and that the ankle monitor is in place, I would ask that he be permitted to walk through the bond or a bond is set.
The bond is set at 10,000 now. So on the motion to adjudicate.
Understood.
Well, no, on the, has he violated conditions before?
So when he was placed on the deferred originally, he took that plea 5/21/2024. He picked up that harassment charge.
Yeah,
And so then we dismissed the harassment.
I'm sorry.
to-
While he's on probation, he picks up a harassment case. And we were working toward finding a resolution to be amenable to everybody. And now he's picked up another case. I'm not going to let him do a walkthrough. It's not reasonable. You know what I mean?
Understood.
It's
So,
the second time he's picked up a case while he's on probation for an assault.
understood, Judge. So the bond amount is $10,000 on the motion to adjudicate.
Yeah, what's reasonable considering everything?
10,000 is reasonable, Judge.
It's 10,000 now.
So.
That was that's when he picked up the first case, it was set at 10,000. Now he's picked up another case.
So, Judge, in light of the fact that he already made a $20,000 bond on the new case, would 15,000 be reasonable?
Judge, honestly, I fear the complainant.
Really, we're just not getting through to Mr. Silvernail. Mr. Silvernail does what he wants to do without regard to. He could, just because he has an ankle monitor, doesn't restrict him from going to the house. He could theoretically leave here, go back to the house. And that's the fear that I have. He does whatever he wants to do, to hell with the bond conditions, and not 3 cases, 4 different times in custody have made a difference, you know?
I understand there was a lot that happened in the past. I've communicated the expectations of the court with my client, and he stands ready to comply with your expectations as to his behavior.
But
Judge, I can say that it looks like he pled on 4/10, picked up that charge. He pled in 2024, he picked up that harassment on 3/30/2026. You amended his conditions to extend it for a year on 6/4, and we're back here 10 days later on a new charge.
I'm setting your bond at $50,000. I don't know how else to get it to really have you understand how important and how meaningful bond conditions are. Everything that we've done today, really 10 days later on yet another case. As much as I love you, Mr. Petoniak, the problem is it's not you, it's him. And we're now yet again, 10 days later. I really have I mean, I really truly don't think that there are any non-financial conditions. And let me tell you, I told you, Mr. Silvernail, if you go within 1,000 feet of where this person lives, works, breathes, I'm going to have a hearing to hold you at 0 bond. Do you understand?
Sure.
You were not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs. Do we know if alcohol played any part?
She did not indicate, Judge, that she was impaired on this occasion. Let me just double check the other ones.
I mean, do we put a device on his ankle?
There is one.
No, a scram, yeah. Because I don't know if drugs or alcohol are playing a part in the choices that are being made, you know? A lot of people seem to make choices when they've consumed, and I don't know if that's part of the issue.
Judge, she did not indicate anything relating to substance abuse. She did indicate that he had PTSD, which causes him to be emotionally abusive and angry, but nothing in relates to any drugs or alcohol or anything like that, Judge.
My client indicates he's a teetotal.
So what?
Teetotal. He doesn't drink.
Oh,
There's not been no indication from
I
time.
mean, I'm still gonna order just no consumption of alcohol, no consumption of illegal drugs. You're gonna be tested on a weekly. I don't know if you're gonna bond out, but if you do, you'll be tested weekly so that we know you're not using. And do me a favor, let's fast track this
Yes.
because I'm now going to set you for a hearing in 30 days on this motion to revoke your probation. And we're gonna decide, you're looking at a year in jail. Do you understand? But when we have cases that are entirely way too much drama, the longer we wait, the worse it is for all the parties involved. It's just, so please do your diligence to get everything as quick as possible and then we'll go from there. He goes with you. Nick, I'll talk to you in a second, but I want him to go back.
Yes, sir.
Can we go back?
Yes, sir.
Come on.
I'll get with you in a second.
Okay.
Lost one.
If you move on, then a pretrial officer will meet with you before your release, install GPS monitors, and you can go over all your conditions. Do you have any questions? They're gonna take it off of you when you get processed, and then when, if you get released, they'll put it back on you. Okay. And I'm gonna give your paperwork to the village. I'm sorry, on this. Yes. So if you have any questions, all that's on and do you have a phone?
Just my. Yeah, it's a relative.
So just make sure that they're working fine, and they can move from the home phone. Never think it's that there is this 100 trees in chest because
Okay.
you are submitted to regular contact statement. So just if
No, I'm still in here. Okay.
So for the making the testing, every single day, you'll need to call in or we can go online. You can call us or go online with this payment. Every single day, before 12 p.m. To see our leaders.
Okay,
So they will say with you,
for how long? Okay, so I'm homeless, so, how do I find a phone? Okay,
Once it is active, this essential signing will be. If you have any issues with checking in, just let me try them, it's a really issue system. Like, I understand your situation, but then you're extremely healthy, we shop connection changes.
Yeah, it's just when it don't make sense to me, make me to do that when I'm unable to do that. Yeah, I know, you're not the one to hear it.
So if it says, then you also have the option, then you have to come back same page, no, explain like, you know, the rules are ready for them. Yeah, that's the about the way, because the answer is you have office hours and so on. They want the contract of business, so just make sure you check the home office for that. I think we can actually do your consent, so there's a control.
Try like that.
Really bond that.
Yes.
This is the number I call every day.
Yeah, this one. This one.
50,000 and three.
You listen to the voice there, all the way to the things that that way it's very.
Hey, can we set a TS for Monday?
What is this?
That is also.
Okay, my bad, okay.
Now that he's picked up a new case, can you ask them, I guess, in light of picking up the new case,
Yeah, every single day.
would you make a different decision? I mean, and I think that the goal was to do veterans court, but
Okay, and then,
you know, he tries to go to the VA to get things, and the VA is just very, very difficult. And do we want to wait to see how long, you know? When was it the last time? How long ago?
I mean, there was like a little bit of,
Hey, Nathan, Karina. So he just did a TRS. So about almost a month ago.
The MHA, is that what it was for? Right?
They recommended Veterans Court.
That's why.
But what I'd like to do now, in light of the new case, would they make any different recommendations? So she can ask them to just look at it, you've got it done. He's picked up a new case. Would you make any different recommendations in light of the new case? So we don't have to go do a full-blown TRS again.
Understood.
So I'm just gonna ask them if there's anything. Yeah, let's just see what they say, and then,
right now, at the moment, no, but.
I guess we'll see what they say.
A different shelter, because I'm getting.
So I'm gonna order though that a GPS prior to release.
I might
No.
want to take.
Should we put a scram or no?
If they say
No.
the same judge is not alcohol related.
Okay, so just a scram prior to release, not to go within 1,000 feet of where she lives, works, no weapons.
There's no way for me to do all that.
That's it.
So then.
I don't even think there's a way to call. So I don't know why.
Yeah,
they'll ask
they're gonna
us to
run it.
call.
What's that?
They're gonna do,
Yeah.
yeah, okay, it is what it is.
Make his.
Right, but just let them know the next time it's gonna be an issue. If he violates conditions again. And I don't know, I mean, maybe we should order some kind of treatment in the interim, you know?
Yeah, he is on probation.
Judge, are we gonna figure out here anything on him? I'm not sure what his job is.
What
He
does
has
he
his
do?
own business, he's a roofer, but he has a pretty demanding.
Oh, no, but I just don't want him out in the middle of the night. So maybe like a 10 PM curfew. It happened at 1:30? Oh, well, thank you for telling me. No. Now he's got a curfew. 10 PM to 6 AM.
Understood.
Yeah. So, and then I'll let her know. I'm glad you told me that. I had no idea. I mean, that's,
Okay. I wonder, I couldn't see him back.
we're gonna, they'll probably just put him back. We'll bring him out because he needs to sign new conditions anyway. So we're gonna bring him out to sign conditions and then we'll go from there.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
Thank you, Jeff.
thanks. No, let's, you know, if it's a mental health issue, then we need to find, you know, I mean, I don't know. No, I would say no at this point.
Okay. Okay, okay, sound good.
Judge, come on.
Hi, Justin.
Can you start reading this? I just gotta.
Yeah, you go for it. Well, she needs to sign conditions though. She's good to go? Okay, she's with you.
Come out?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
Come back? or-
Nope. Oh,
Well, yeah. But just need to go back to the jury box?
no, no, you're good. Do I know you?
Judge, how are you?
Dang, it's been a long time, huh? How are you? What's up? You too? What's new, man?
Good.
You got some with us?
No, I need to see.
Oh, okay.
Good. Bored. It's a very complicated situation that we've been going through. To make sure. But
Bueno, back and forth, basically. Everybody working.
Do you think? This is part of the. This things like. Stay. Here's some action work. I'm talking with. Issues. That's really the whole skill. Basically, the last time we were here. We needed one. Or. Mom and dad who being with me. And basically, someone. Basically, reasons you need. Yeah, that's what you see. Years. I guess the officer said. See, he has. This is the most recent one from. You see movies being constructed, you see the shit taken. Yeah.
Hey guys, who's this gentleman in the black jacket?
Mr.
Please come back.
Yeah, right.
Does he have a lawyer?
Yes.
Okay, he's trying to reach out to these people here. Just take a seat. Your lawyer will be with you momentarily, sir.
Oh. Yeah, I think she had. She got. Little bit.
Hi, Judge.
Hey, yeah.
I want to introduce our newest chair, Laura, Samus Murphy.
Hi, nice to meet you too. Thanks for helping out.
Yeah, she's just observing today. And then I also had a question about John Silvernail.
Okay,
His previous conditions also included the MES victim addressal device.
yes, yes, absolutely. And so a couple things. So no weapons, no alcohol, no illegal drugs, testing weekly, curfew 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. No going within 1,000 feet of where she lives or where she works. I think that's it.
I'll make sure that.
Thanks. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
I've been there, which was already.
Hey, Judge, on Silvernail, the MAJ, what was the loss of?
50,003.
Council comes to the
He's gonna bond out. So whatever, it's he'll probably get the 7-day setting. Oh, no.
Wait, for, no.
Yeah. Hey, you gotta watch out for that one, man. Uh-huh. Watch out for that one. Wolf in sheep's clothing over there.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, and then, I'll put it in my.
You were, right?
Yes.
What did that?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah. Okay, so you see what he had said that he is that basically she.
Was there any?
They're saying.
I just got the returns, but not from the work. Okay, for those years, that's a big one. So you should know.
His car.
No, I think they reset it. We still have to work it out because we're in trees. Oh, okay. But he doesn't.
There's no video of that.
But it's still good. But I think that's what Leon said last year. We still have to work it out. Okay.
Say it's really doing that, it's really sad. That's the law. It is more than it's in the very good. Anyway, that's one of the best things. So what do you work with your company now? That's it's been far. Yes, I mean, I guess that's law they. His car was that. He's coming out of each other. And then waiting for it. And we need the rest of them. see revenue from the fact that there is marijuana obtained. I just think that there was a lot of review. Key maintaining the fact that I think not involved in shooting. It was just there. It's about easy as I mean, shooting. I just. I guess one of the.
Yeah, we did a revision.
What you had for times. The fact that he got fired.
I heard. That's what, I don't know who followed him. It all had to it might be like. Oh, okay. Well, I just read that was bad. Yeah, actually. That's what, you know, we said disease and stuff. So and then fire church called the fire legislation. He's more.
But you can show. All right, you didn't say that. I don't even know if that's how it's.
The music on my phone. This one, the and he will miss out, we should be very up or really up with spouse. No, yeah, that's the beach. Was that
Yeah,
any
he was
fire?
there.
We drove out the shooting, but she was sitting in fires. I looked at him about shooting.
From my understanding, is that they would get what he was feeling. Were shot at. One of which.
Yes.
Which made it difficult for other that because it was six or. I'll keep it. And then yeah.
Yeah. You're Johnny on the spot.
Yeah. Well, our trinkets and this is covered. Okay, do you have anybody else? Just think of my next one. Okay. Yeah. Yes. And then just. Oh, wait, I can. Okay.
Hey, come on, David.
Yeah, I remove it, I'll leave it camping. Okay. Okay.
Investigation. I mean, I'm really interested in the reality. Yes.
I think the conditions are there as far as. One of them.
Yeah.
I mean, it is what it is. I can't.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, for me, like, you always takes back.
So if you get some questions, then I'll just.
And once you say that, like,
You know.
it's, you know, that. Don't think it's a
So.
I have to do.
It's all-
Stuff. Or you just like, I need this place or something. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. No, I wouldn't appreciate it. Yeah, she was taking a stab at it, so it was like, never. I'm sure it's. So, I think the film will talk to you. Thank you, I appreciate it.
It's, I mean, you know, do you want, so.
It's all. Thanks, Chris.
So. I don't share a motion as well, so that's really for the second. So letter. And then I'll let her know what you get. Okay. Did you have anything else? Yes. That's fine. Yeah.
WOED. But I wanted to show you. Just kind of slice and fix. This is going to be insurance stocks. So. Yeah. I'll call him and I'll have the office when it's licensed.
Yeah. Yeah, I wish I would.
You show that he's not eligible.
Correct. So that's what it's called. Start the building form.
Well, let me reach out to him. I'm gonna tell him this one. Straight.
Yeah, we just did it today because I was just yesterday.
It was.
Maybe that's what all the, everything that was, like, those assumptions we have. What at the beginning is for reaching home, so we have some days. We don't like the insurance, so we have to get insurance. Yeah.
Let me talk to them about status on that.
Okay.
I think we can have all.
Thank you.
Out and it's July 21st and 23rd.
Tuesday, the 22nd.
Wednesday, the 26th.
I'm so sorry. Let's do, Tuesday, the 21st.
21st, and 22nd.
The other one is, Docket,
Is everything?
so this kind of license. So.
Just sorry, did you want the same day?
Please.
7/21. The only thing that's really executive. They said there's no promotion. We get sure flowers. This is what it is. In 19, I think. So I think this person doesn't actually swear me.
And No.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I don't like people saying this and figure it out. Well, I just want to be more. Yes. He's allowed to scream. So. No, because I didn't ask because it's. My. Ish. 7-ish. That's a different.
Thank you.
She was just there. Yeah, she might bring it back.
I don't want to report this. Anybody. Yeah. No,
I just don't know.
yeah.
I don't mind searching, I just don't know where to get. One classmate's goes to get. Always the eraser, even because I was supposed to write something. And my supervisor knows this, I don't want my, and my kind of expecting for myself. But this person said to me, I'm like, no, I don't mind, I don't mind. I'm like, I don't mind looking at myself, just some questions about visions, because I have no idea, like, all the way to case, I don't know. I don't know what to do. So then she was like, are you okay with results? And I was like, always. And she was like, that's the attitude, kind of like, yeah, just don't ask me, but don't ask me questions. No, actually, this board doesn't have a track. Yeah, so yeah, I don't. It's just that I put the clerks of working from home for like the big ones. I was in the and well, as the assistant, and they just. Oh. Just. And I don't think when I get on was there. I don't think. And it takes no. Nobody should have.
They hasn't been right there. Yeah. This is a great.
That's good sort of yes. Sure. It's Williams, correct? Mr. Williams, come on up. All right. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
Officers responded to a call for service that changed into an assault family member. Complainant stated he was assaulted by his ex-girlfriend defendant. Complainant stated defendant was identified by his driver's license text pin throughout, and threw his clothes out. Complainant's clothes were soiled with feces and barbecue sauce. Complainant went to get his clothes and defendant punched him. The state said the defendant used both of her hands and grabbed his left arm between his shoulders and his elbow. Complainant stated that the defendant then grabbed his face and used her thumbs to try to gouge both of his eyes out, but was only able to gouge his left eye with her right thumb. Defendant then used a closed fist and struck the complainant on the left cheek with the right fist. He felt pain and wanted to pursue charges. When officers attempted to talk to her, she said, "Go ahead and just file charges."
Do we know is there a serious bodily injury?
The only thing that said, Judge, was that she punched him and he felt pain.
Okay, well, and the eyes gouging out,
And that is all, Judge.
allegedly. Do we know if alcohol or dope played a part in any of this?
No, Your Honor, I don't see any indications.
What time of day or night was
that
this?
involved.
Does it say?
The officers were dispatched. I can check. She just got the officer report uploaded. Officers were dispatched at 5:13 PM.
Okay, Ms. Williams, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. You're ordered not to have any contact with this complaining witness at all by any means whatsoever. It does not matter. There's a protective order that has been issued and you need to get to know it. If you violate the protective order, the state can and probably will file a violation of a protective order against you. It's one of the worst cases you can pick up. You saw what happened earlier, right? Just, I'm not asking for much. I'm going to protect my community at all costs. I don't care who you are. Just you violate conditions, I'm just going to put you in jail. It's not a revolving door. There will not be PR bond for PR bond. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
You are not to go where this person lives, works, and when I mean no contact, I mean no contact of any kind. Text messages, phone calls, emails, going to the house. If he should reach out to you, you still can't have contact with this person. It's still a violation. If they call you, do not answer. If they call you from an unknown number, hang up. If the person should text you, do not reply. You're the one that will end up in custody. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance It is your responsibility to stay in touch with them and they'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. Also, no weapons. So for now, I'm gonna have you sign a reset, then I will have you take a seat in the jury box or we get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. All right, please. Yeah, no contact, no weapons, and going to where they live or work, please.
Sure.
Jody, follow on 6/18 with those, there's no contact, no weapons, no drugs.
Let me see.
Um,
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Let me see. You did not put no weapons though.
No firearms, ammunition? No.
Yeah, you know, no weapons.
It should be in there. Is that?
I can't modify.
Okay, no, I think that they asked for it. The state's bond commission asked for it on 6/10. I think it's the second one. No firearms or ammunition or.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Yeah.
I got it. Okay, right. Do you mind putting that one in the queue? There's states conditions from 610, please. For Ms. Williams. This is top of page 18. Hi, Justin, you ready?
Just, I have to say
Oh,
first.
got it. Okay. Ally.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
I am checking in on Joshua Alexander. It was a required appearance today. I had heard he had not checked in. I was able to get a hold of him and there was some confusion about what day he needed to be in court. Can we roll him to next week? Ordinarily, I would say come downtown real quick, but it's a little crazy downtown. So I'm wondering if we can get rolled to next week.
I don't know. Let me see. Have you had any contact with him whatsoever?
Yes, I got in contact with him this morning.
Okay, so I mean, I guess we will set it for bond forfeiture for, you're at 180 days. It's time to do something. So let me make sure
Yes,
that.
Judge, I got an offer
complete.
this morning.
You did get an offer? Okay, so we'll set up for bond forfeiture for Monday or Tuesday. You pick it and he's got to come, he's got to accept, or we set it for trial.
Absolutely. We will be there. Thank you so much, Judge. I think that's all I need to zoom in on.
What day do you want, Ally?
Tuesday is a little bit easier. I'm supposed to be picking a jury Monday and
Sure.
two.
No, Tuesday.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, Tuesday, whatever you want. I don't care.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, all right, we'll see you Tuesday.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Okay. So just, if we can make a notation that he failed to appear today, so that's SFBF. So if he tries to, again, he doesn't appear. Oh, wait, look, I have to show you. Mr. Therio, I have to file it. So if you want to make a copy, you can, but I have to file that and I have to show it today. I've not seen day yet. Let me call him real quick.
Judge, I'm gonna approach now.
Yeah, let me just make a phone call real quick
Sure.
and then. So I guess. Day? Hey. That's it? Hey, I'm gonna put you on speakerphone, okay, real quick. Day. Yes. Okay, hey, so, Mr. Therio sent us a letter. And he has, in the letter, there's a writ that he's filed, a writ of habeas corpus.
Okay,
Uh,
but we already addressed the risks.
sure, I get it, but he's just filing another one. I mean, I have to tell you what he's done. I've got Keely in front of me now. She's taking a look at the writ and it looks like it's. Sorry.
I can get it, of course, sorry, the email that I'm working on the project, but I can come up if I can have this 5 minutes.
Yeah, sure. All right, come on up.
Okay.
All right, bye. Okay, Justin, you ready?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Robertson. Mr. Robertson, we have a He's here, we want to see if he could probably state's gonna, what was the issue are.
Sure, but understand though, that if it's 90, it's 190 days old. If we set it, great, but this is the plea bargain deadline. If he doesn't want to do anything after this point, we'll set it, we're gonna go. Okay, I don't want to just, like, I don't want to set up a trial and then, all right, well, we're gonna plead guilty on the day of trial.
Oh,
No. If we set it, we are gonna go.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Robertson, come up.
Or they can dismiss it, right?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, that's up to
They brought
them.
up an operation issue, I'm thinking that you guys will evaluate for operation issues, so.
Do you want to wait till maybe next week to see if they even kick it instead of setting it?
You only don't have a week.
Yeah.
Could you waive his appearance for the next one?
Sure, but if we set it though, I mean, next week will be the plea bargain deadline though.
Sure.
Like he'll have to either accept it. Okay,
But, he's wearing on getting down there. He's lost his.
I understand. No. I understand. I get it. Unless there's something which he wants to take, then he's got to be.
Oh, sure.
Sure.
No.
Yeah, I'm okay with that, Justin.
To do that, But,
So,
but if we,
If he doesn't, then, I'll just let him.
if we do it a week for them to eval, we can waive his appearance.
Yeah.
If they're not satisfied, we can get a trial date next week.
sure,
Okay,
but that's the plea bargain deadline. If he sets it, we're gonna go.
understood. I got it.
Like, I'm not gonna, okay, well, no, we want to, at 250 days, we're gonna try to plead. No.
Okay,
We
let me
set
see
it,
what he wants me
we
to
are
do,
gonna go.
And when we see if he's okay with.
Yep,
one more
sure.
For the state. What's that?
Good morning, Miss Lewis.
Good morning, Judge.
What's up?
I have Nicholas Rogers on your docket, Your Honor.
Rogers.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So on Mr. Rogers, Your Honor, we're actually currently in a murder trial in Nashville. So I just stepped out to do the Zoom. We just need one more setting. I think this case could be disposed of pretty quickly. We do see an offer in the system. We just hadn't had a chance to meet with him because we were preparing for this trial.
is Mr. Rogers here now? He's supposed to be here. He didn't check in.
That is a problem. Let me call him and figure out.
So let's do this.
Okay.
It's, your case is 180 days old. It's time to figure out what we're gonna do. So I'll give you 2 weeks. But at
Well-
that setting, the next setting is plea or trial.
Okay, Your Honor, we will be back from trial. We start actually on Monday. We did a pretrial conference this morning. So it's supposed to last about 2 weeks. So I'm just trying to see if we can do
You wanna come
first,
earlier?
the first week of July.
Do you wanna come earlier? I mean, so when do you start trial?
We start trial on Monday.
July 6th.
Okay, July 6th, but that's the absolute final day. There's no
Okay.
more resets after that time because you'll be past 200 days.
Okay, and we just signed on, Your Honor. We hadn't been on the entire time, but I understand the course timeline.
But I
So-
guess, I get it, but nevertheless, we still gotta, so, not only that, I'm gonna set it for bond forfeiture. The defendant must be here at the next setting, okay? He has not appeared today. It's all right, but if he doesn't appear the next time, I'm gonna issue a warrant,
Okay, sounds good, Your Honor.
okay?
All right, thank you so
All right.
much.
Yes,
Have a
ma'am.
good day.
Take care.
Perfect.
Date. That's it. This is,
Oh, triple person.
that's what we received. I don't know. I guess she might have left. I guess she left. I don't know.
I'll wait until she comes back, 'cause I don't want to guess. Are you okay if I hold on?
I have to file it,
Oh.
but I mean, you can, I can't give it to you, but I just have to file it.
So we judge next week, wait for the parents?
Yeah. Mhm.
I'll wait until she comes back.
They're gonna either dismiss it or they're gonna set it. Yeah, for sure.
They all wait yesterday.
Shreya, you need me or you need?
Right, he had a.
Good to see you. You know that my son is number one on the waiting list to get in the condit for the pre-K.
Oh, some parents.
No, please. And there's so many applications that, you know, I went to go talk to the principal and he's like, no, just won't even happen. Not for, just so upset. Just, it is what it is, but just, yeah, imagine being number one, you can't even. Mr. Johnson.
Yes, Sean, can you hear me?
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Who are you here on?
I'm here on Juan Campos.
You said Campos?
Yes, Your Honor.
Got it. So we just give you a reset, right? Is that all you want?
Yes, but I had spoke with the state. I sent over his insurance information. From my understanding, it's supposed to be provide proof of insurance and for dismissal. I just wanted to confirm if that was
Who'd you send
the
it
state
to?
was able to. I have. Let me look at the email. I sent it to two prosecutors. I have a Sarah.
Okay, so here, I'm gonna send you an email of who to send it to because there's not many people here today just because of the rain and because of FIFA. So I'm gonna
Okay.
send you an email real quick. I'm gonna
Okay.
chat you an email if you don't mind sending it here. And this is to our chief.
Okay, sounds good.
Bear with me one second.
I don't know what that was. The defendant's last name was Campos?
Campos, yeah. She said they sent, okay, I just sent it to you, Mr. Johnson. He said
Okay, perfect. I
to
have it.
Sarah, the insurance.
We did add it in file.
I don't know if there was, if it was just insurance for the dismissal or something else.
Well, I don't see any plea offer, Judge. There's an FBI form, because he had a prior PTI for DWI. And I don't think we contacted the complainant yet.
Are you saying there was an offer of just insurance for dismissal?
I know in the first court setting, we talked informally just to send insurance, just to confirm they had valid insurance on the day of the incident, for dismissal.
That offer is not on the file.
I'm pulling up now, just see.
Or maybe it will,
Yeah,
No.
yeah, the case. Okay, so there anything that Ms. Farwell did, verify if he provides insurance, we can provide it to the complainant and we will dismiss it.
okay.
Part of the resolution.
Okay, thank you. And I just
So
forwarded
wait,
to,
restitution, did you need restitution? You don't need
No, they're
it.
gonna go through the insurance, Judge.
Okay, all right. They're gonna dismiss it, Mr. Johnson.
thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, man, have fun.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
How are you? Wasn't that July or something? I know, we'll try to wait. First termination date. No, it was just when I was with his termination date. Because this was a contract with the termination. Yeah, so that's one thing we do it. And I'll be sure it's in the last one I was on. And then. Yeah. So, okay. Mhm. No, I think I'll move that. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Did you see anyone who took those?
Really? Yeah, it worked for this.
Yes, of course. Thanks.
Oh, she puts it.
Started the entry. That's when.
And then they have very. Okay, so. Yeah.
Yeah. It doesn't. So. The sentence federally for conspiracy.
Hey, what happened with Mr. Robinson? He never got out?
He was in prison for supervised.
I'd like to set up a trial.
He was sentenced by the Secret Service.
So I don't know.
I thought they were going to bond him out.
Counterfeit, conspiracy.
That's not what I want to.
Weapons evidence. He was convicted, not an accusation, he was convicted.
Are you ready to, should I bring it on? Hola.
You're bringing them out.
And then it was revoked, he was sentenced for revoke.
Do you want me to make a docket notation or something like that?
Yeah, I'll say it to myself.
I mean, this is not going to have an impact. Will it have an impact on?
But it's also one of those things where I just. Set trial, you know. It's not, I don't. In depth with that.
I know, I believe, but do you want to wait to see if there's a global resolution?
I want it.
Do we know?
He just got indicted. Okay. Now,
Do you know where it's headed, how long it's going to be?
okay, so do I know where it's headed? No, do I think it's gonna be an easy one? I think it's gonna work it out. So it's the question is like, should he drag this one out? Or should he set a trial or something, you know? But he doesn't want to do that. I don't think that it's something that they're just gonna leave out, you know?
You want to bring her up or no? Are you grandma? Thanks for coming.
You can if you want to.
Shh. So,
He does want his grandma on here.
okay, come on up. Hi, thanks for coming. You know, this is a critical time for you. The more convictions you rack up, just the more, the more difficult life gets. I can never put my shoes or myself in your shoes because I'll never know what it's like growing up, but your lawyer's advising that you wait because you're in custody regardless. You're being held on something upstairs. I mean, I don't think you're getting out anyways. And perhaps that you guys can work out a global resolution so that everything happens at once for the best for you, Mr. Robinson. When you take the easy way out, it just doesn't work to your benefit. Tell me.
Jalen, to my understanding from his attorney, went into a store and took some.
Well, wait, let's not talk about the case. I can't,
Okay,
let's
well,
not.
anyway,
No, no, we
he
don't.
did wrong.
No, no, we don't talk
So,
about.
Don't,
he's guilty.
No, no, we
don't,
don't.
don't. See, there's a bunch of prosecutors here. I don't
Okay.
want you to say
Well,
anything that's gonna make
anyway,
it worse.
What my plans are for Jalen, once we get all of this behind him, he and I have talked about it. He's coming back to Louisiana with me. That's where he was.
I understand, but
He wanted to come with his mom and come out here and got into some trouble. So he's coming back to Louisiana with me. We have Delta Community College where he can get his GED. You got the community center, the community college, ICE facility, and our facility, all on one strip. I pass by it every day. I can get him there to get his GED. Once he finished that, they have auto mechanic, they have welding, they have nursing. There's something there that he can take. Right now, I'm not really concerned about his record. I'm gonna cross that bridge when I get to it. Right now, my concern is getting all of this behind him and get him out of Texas.
as the adage goes, you can lead a horse to water,
But you can't make him
you
drink.
can't make him drink.
Okay, but he's been with me all his life.
If you still get out to Louisiana, Abu Dhabi, wherever it may be, if you're still running with people who are getting in trouble, you know they're going to bring you down. It doesn't matter whether you're doing this, whether you're doing that. It's perception is reality. It always is, you know? Do you want to wait and do this to see if everything works out all at the same?
And so we have discussed, as you discussed at length, that there's a chance if we wait, that we can get this dismissed. And that would, hold on, I just want to make sure, and that would not infringe on him since he's still in custody for the felony. It's not like he's getting out.
Have you
I
spoken?
understand that,
I just want to,
but to my understanding, he can flee today
Yes.
and have time served.
yes,
Right, that's
But
what I want. That's what he wants. That's what he told me he wanted. So that's what we are going to do, so we can be finished with this court. And I can move on. I got 5.5 more hours to go back. I left this morning at 4 o'clock to get here. Now I gotta go back to Louisiana.
have they offered to dismiss both of these cases if something happens upstairs?
no. But do I think that it's in the world of possibility? Sure. Do I think they'll do it before anything happens with the felony? No.
Right. There's a possibility that, but understand, there's a possibility that if something happens upstairs, they may dismiss both of these cases. One of the cases that he has here is the theft case.
But I'm gonna still have to come back to Texas, to come back in here, to go back over there. This is a 5.5 hour drive for
But
me.
you don't have to.
Yes, he's not coming before anyone without me or his mother. No. No, I don't want that. Go.
Karina, on what is is there any headway that's happening upstairs? I'm telling you, Mr. Robinson, I'm telling you, I think it's a bad idea, man. It's not a good idea. I think you should wait. You can do whatever you want. You're the driver of this bus. I'm telling you, it's a bad idea and that you should probably wait because it may work to your benefit later on. Once you get a theft on your record and you're branded a thief, it becomes very difficult to get a job because people will make assumptions and they'll think things because you have that theft. I'm telling you, it's a bad idea. I'm happy to do whatever you want to do.
Okay,
But-
that's the route we're gonna go.
So Judge, looks like the last update was, A grand jury packet was put together for this case and the grand jury indicted it
Yeah,
on the 6/2/2026, and that's the last update they have.
there's nothing else. That's no offers either.
No offers yet. So it looks like there is, hold up, any notes, multiple co-defendants.
Right, anything
in this
happens.
case. Um,
So I'll make a documentation, I guess.
Yes, I mean, that's all, and we've discussed, I think that the felony, while I don't represent him on it, we've gone through all the evidence, it's very defensible. Something that we can definitely work out a global deal on, I think, but I think Mr. Robinson will have to take this today.
And I know one of them, Jack, one of the co-defendants was offered on June 2nd, 8 years TDC. It looks like they were probably going to accept it, but for some reason, I'm not sure if he did. Or not, so the PV report was filed, but it doesn't show like it was disposed of. So that was the last offer on one of the co-defendants. The other one doesn't have any plea offers, and this gentleman does
Okay.
not have any plea offers.
Do you want to wait or do you want to? You sure? Mr. Robinson, you're charged with evading arrest. You're also charged with theft. The agreement that you have worked out is they're going to dismiss the evading arrest for your plea on the theft case. This is a Class B misdemeanor. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. Understand that from now on, should you pick up any more misdemeanors here, you'll be looking at a minimum of 30 days in jail. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. Once you plead guilty, you give up the right to appeal, meaning that once you plead guilty, you can never change this or undo this. You sure you want to do this? How do you plead to the theft? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I will sentence you to the 20 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 113. I'm going to make a notation that this is against the advice of defense counsel. And that I have also admonished you as well. All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Robinson. Thank you for coming. Hey, are you ready? Hi, yes. Morning.
Miss Irma de la Rosa Vasquez.
Is this a new case? Okay. It's under Vasquez? Okay, I see it. All right, you are Miss Vasquez.
Yes.
Ma'am, you are charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
Your Honor, officers are dispatched to, that's at Walmart in Harrisburg, Texas. Please look for the loss prevention officer who stated that defendant and two other defendants entered the store. It's a box of Huggies diapers and a drink. A box of Huggies diapers and a drink. Went to a Nissan SUV. Came back inside to the Walmart and began to conceal merchandise inside backpacks and their clothing. At this time, they pass all points of sales without paying for any of those items, which were total approximately $151.44.
Ms. Vasquez, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to go to any Walmart whatsoever for any reason. You are also not to have any contact with the co-defendants in this case. Are you, do you know if the motion is going to be filed upstairs? She's on felony deferred?
Yes, I'm not, aware, I haven't spoken to her, so I mean, there's an emotion involved yet.
So you're on felony probation. It's very possible they issue a warrant for your arrest on that case. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with counsel. If you violate these conditions, I will order your arrest and I will put you in jail. You understand, ma'am? Okay. I'm going to have you sign a reset. I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. Once you sign your bond conditions, at that point, you will be free to go. Thanks. Okay. No, wait, she needs to sign a reset first and then, yes. So if you don't mind filing, then no Walmart, no contact. Thank you. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Thank you. Jed, if you need follow the bond condition.
Yeah, just no Walmart, no contact with the
Yeah,
co-defendants.
they had, it was filed on 6/15.
Oh, is it already filed? Okay.
Yes, the same things are stating, no contact with the stores. They put the loss prevention officer in
Got
there
it.
and the board can submit.
Sweet. Okay. Thanks.
Double check to see what we filed to see if actually settled.
Yeah, great. Yeah. Oh, sorry. You want to go through the list? Too early? Hey, wishful thinking, man. What? Yeah.
Top of two, Alexander.
I think it got dismissed.
Oh, did it? And I saw council did.
Yeah, I think it, I want to say that I signed a dismissal.
All right, yes, I did.
5,002.
Oh, it's in there. Oh.
Did you do two?
Page 8 and 9.
Did you hear on the bottom of page 4? Did you hear anything?
4.
Yeah.
Reset to 7.
You did? Okay.
The top of 4, is council.
He was here earlier. I have no idea what happened.
it 2501 from Morris? Bottom of 8, top of 9. That one sells for the first time.
Yeah. Okay.
There was a pointed on meal and some
Oh, PBO's on. Yeah, thank you.
Hey, please.
I'm here on Mr. Hicks.
Hicks. Jail or bond?
Bond.
Okay.
Waiting on blood, chief is, I believe, gonna follow up on it. It's a hospital blood case. So for whatever reason, we still don't have the blood results on them.
That's not good.
Yeah, so I'm double checking to, I have to go through everything, so it looks like it was a 2B filed. After they got the results, he was arrested on January 2026. That's when it was filed, January 16, 2026.
Okay.
It's officially filed. So they're indicating that they got the blood vials from, the hospital, but they also sent it to HFSC. So I'm trying to see if, it looks like Barlow reached out. And I was trying to see if she got anything back from them, Judge. I just haven't had any updates. I'm reaching out to our liaison as well to see if he has anything. I just don't see anything updated in our system.
I guess let's set it 2 weeks
Thank
and let's
you.
see where you're at. And at that point, if you don't have it, we'll set it for a 10-day trial or for a discovery hearing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Maybe it's
Okay,
just-
you got it.
Thank you.
I texted with Keely and going back out.
So what should I do with it? Just, I'm filing, I guess, right?
I'll file something in response afterwards, but I mean, it's already, so Keely knows, we messaged. But I'll come back up with you.
I guess, yeah, do you mind just filing this into this voice?
Yes.
Yeah. That's something I did. They decided on. So the people on flashlight. No, actually, about the results. Oh, you just- For mistakes that I've taken. We have not had this contact with leaders, I try to go up to the
He took the expanded version of drugs, I think like 11 different things.
He's got alcohol too.
Yeah, to stop that.
Okay.
And, she introduced me and everything like
For
that.
this defendant,
Was also coming in.
Andrade Bond,
See.
it's a jail case, a motion to sub was filed, if that attorney was never attached.
24 hours.
Okay. Yeah. On the attorney for is it shows up as it's not attached?
I had talked to her. And she left it. Okay, it's pretty much gone.
Can we have a docket stuff first and now the docket stuff?
Sure.
Yeah, so I'm alone today, so.
Could she send that, we'll see if she could get past to the light?
Why is there why is there, okay. Yeah, it's just like Jane, that's on the joke. Nice. I just don't see it. Yeah. I was like, there was like these parties. Oh, that's this is one. So we're gonna try. Turns out you did, we just never got, like, see at the bottom, Wall Street got attached. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see. Yes, swap it, yeah, PHAT, so just swap it, because Matt Miller hasn't been shown, up, so we kept him saying that. Okay, if you see so, okay.
This is food.
Okay, is everything okay?
This guy.
That, all right, is it you can all?
Yes.
How's July, 28th through 30th?
That's fine. Now.
Oh. Right now. This one shows it 800. Okay. Okay.
No, no.
Yeah, you're good. All right.
Yeah, just fast one and make it. Yeah. I'm trying to see if you get it. We'll see if you get it. It's one of the ones where it may just be on there straight away.
That's good. Okay.
Sorry. Yes, you have any questions? He's calling on, we had a part yesterday, and we got a call from the city, even getting one like. Why? What's the, I-87 yesterday, he signed and. You the case from the. It's not this one. That's okay. Okay. 194. Like 2. Yeah. No, I got David. On that one, yeah, that's. Oh, that's. Isn't this like a little bit? Of getting processing. Oh, for this support charges. It says bonding. This one, so she's, yes, because I really watching. Yes, so with that.
Is there someone that's in custody that shouldn't be in custody?
No, Judge, I'm just trying to figure out exactly why he's in custody. There was no new charges filed. He was in court, felony court yesterday, family calls this morning. I was just trying to see if I could figure out exactly what's going on.
Let's get the
Sheriff's Department. Thank you, I appreciate it. That's interesting.
I'll take you. Keep our light. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Hey. That's why I'm telling you now.
Okay. We can get, Veronica to let them and just put them for it.
Okay.
You're in the email from Matthew. You said GPS, spray on the nice man. Yes.
Yeah. Mr. Wong, are you waiting on us?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, we're done. So, okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. He's still 19. He's not doing one month. Yeah, I think for me, it's not small, I don't know, but that's not pretty. I'm not having the. It's even minor, scratch, nothing more. Issues with trust, because. I don't know, strategy, and then it's one of the measures of the.
Yes, somebody.
You know, diligent project on CAD, there's a self title user, but the goes off this project and then. The goes off this, it's compatible out. And then the original case, just leave everything. I remember. That part of that, but it was 6,869, the extra version of that. And then so I guess well. Judge, I'm also not here next Tuesday, but I'll have them pre-made.
Yeah. Good. Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Well, so, this way. Next, I've been working on my experience. Just like around all these things. I'll email you. I did. Well, thank you. Well,
Enjoy your moment.
He's waiting for me to get this back. I want my Yes.
Manny,
Hey, Judge.
what's up?
Oh, no, I'm coming in on a McPherson.
Say it again.
I'm here on a McPherson, Judge.
Oh, McPherson. Okay.
Sorry, we had Montgomery County here in the morning, and I'm just getting to a place where I can actually.
Don't worry about it. Is McPherson here? Come up, Mr. McPherson. He's got bond violations.
Yeah, so that's why we're here today, Judge, is the BVRs, and we had sent a message to pretrial, or Sean did yesterday. We believe that the BVRs are missed blows, but we think they're out of window blows. We don't think he actually has a missed blow. I think they're all out of window blows, or at least most of them are out of window blows.
Yes, Judge, I had the report from the officer this morning, and so one was 8:44 p.m., so 45 minutes late. Other one was 15 minutes late, an hour late,
An hour late.
2 hours late. $53 late.
It's unacceptable, man. This is not when you want to blow. It's when you're ordered to blow. You may live a life where people acquiesce to your every whim, but you're in court now, and that's not the way. You will now get a scram on your ankle, and there's no tolerance. You put anything in your body to make that go hot, and I don't give a damn what it is. Mouthwash, whatever it may be, it's not going to go well between us. Do you understand? Okay, so get a scram today. That way we don't have to deal with the missed blows anymore. Okay?
All
right,
thank
Manny.
you, thank you, sir.
Take a seat. We'll be with you shortly.
May I be excused, Judge?
What did you have beforehand? The date, Manny?
The date, let me take a look, Judge. Hold on.
I think he was already on board today.
Was it today?
Oh, okay. Was he already on today? I didn't know if it was just for BBRs.
Mr. McPherson, let me make something abundantly clear to you as well. I hope above all else in this short life that we have, that you are not driving. You have signed a no driving affidavit. If I find that you're driving, I'm going to go bananas on your bond. Do you understand me? I don't give a rat's behind what your excuse is. If you're driving, and whatever it may be, I hope and pray that you are not. Do you understand me? Karina's discovery complete.
Mr. Just it's complete on this one, and I'm making offers right now.
Okay, we're going to give you 30 days.
Okay,
At
Judge.
the end of the 30 days, he has to come back and either accept or reject the plea bargain, and then we'll just set the case for trial. But
Yes, sir. All right, I
Just way
appreciate
too
it,
much
Judge. I'm sure
drama.
Karina's going to send something very reasonable. She always does.
July 21st through the 23rd.
July 23rd. Yeah, we'll make it work.
Okay, it's yours.
Thank you, Judge. May I
Thanks,
be
bud.
excused?
You got it. Take care.
All right.
Tell Sean hello.
I will. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Was it the 23rd? Oh, yeah, it's right. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Okay. So down. Thank you.
Okay, on this, so, they're just all looking at something.
I emailed to, that's all. And one that that's what was required was from this because they do charge just if you doesn't reach, they can spend it for. So you can't. Make money every day or work.
Hey, are we waiting? We want?
Sorry, just my approach.
Yeah.
Question, Chair, I have a new appointment, David Hernandez.
In jail?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna end up revoking the bond on the first one. I'll set it at just 2501.
I don't think.
Have you represented him before?
Have I
Represented him before? No? Okay. You've done a lot of appointments in here, that's why. And we, you know, we've had him, I guess, just one case. Okay. I guess whatever you want. I mean, if you set it a week, a couple
I rolled it to
days.
next Tuesday.
Yep.
So I'm gonna look through everything. He's not planning on bonding out, so I'll
Yeah.
just
Okay.
review this. week.
Sure.
Thank you, Judge.
For sure. Wait, I have Adam on the first case. Did you know that?
The PBO's office is conflicted out.
Ah.
I just found out this.
Got it. Okay.
And he filed a motion to withdraw.
Got it.
And I believe it's in your feedback.
I'll send it right now.
Thank you.
I'm here.
Hey, you ready?
Yes, sir. This was on the Kyra Davis. You remember she had court setting on Monday. She had a bond violation last week. And it was established at that court setting that she lives in Toledo, Ohio. And that was the reason why she wasn't able to make it to the
Okay.
drug testing. That was.
So we told her to go take a drug test and bring the results here.
There you go. And I have proof, it was sent to pretrial that she had taken the test, but the drug results have not come in yet.
Judge, I want to be clear, she took the test today.
You said again?
She took the test today instead of going on the 15th right after. She took the test this morning.
That's not cool, man. Really. I mean, she's doing what the hell she wants to do.
But Judge, I think that's,
It doesn't matter. A court order is a court order. And if I continue to relent, then what happens? I'm enabling.
but I can't say on her behalf that she did take the expanded test and pay the extra money just to try to make sure anything that was suspected or.
She took the test today. And I told her if the results weren't here today, she had to be here or I would end up revoking her bond. If I don't do what I mean or don't do what I say, then no one has any gumption to follow bond conditions because they know nothing's gonna happen.
Is it possible, Judge, that we see if the results can come back today? You know, I'm not saying they come back tomorrow.
But the fact remains is I told her to take a test that day, not how many days later?
2 days later, Judge.
You know?
But I think that her understanding was that she just needed to take the test by her court setting today.
No. But you told her what I said, presumably, right? That the test had to be, the results need to be here when we had court, or she had to be here.
Correct, Judge, but the test results may come back before the end of the day.
Where does she get the test done? Do you know?
I think, of course, diagnostic.
What do you think, Karina?
Judge, 2 days to me, they can take a detox, they can do anything in order to make sure they come out clean. She hasn't been testing in Ohio, which I know that the courthouse said as long as you go to one of the places, you can still test. Even when pretrial tried to contact her that day, she has been unresponsive for pretrial, so those are my concerns in regards.
She's been unresponsive with you too?
Yeah, so I tried contacting her on the 15th. She did not return the call. I had persuaded her that she, her to contact pretrial regarding the conditions, she did not respond to the call.
I'm sorry, Mr. Frank. It's too much. So I'm not gonna go crazy, but I need her to understand that, she's advised when you get on bond conditions, you need to remain in contact with her, with pretrial, right? And she's just completely ignoring us. I don't. Normally what I would do at this time with someone here, I would admonish them and tell them, look, not cool. I can't do that with her. So
Well, what if I would bring her here tomorrow?
how? You're telling me she lives in another state?
I believe that it'd be more expensive for her to, have to bond out and still have to fly
If
out.
I end up revoking her bond, I would do it at 2501 is what I would end up doing in it, but
She'd still have to come down here to turn herself in anyways.
can you run her NCIC? Has she picked anything else up? Has she?
Justin, you're ready on Rodriguez?
Let me speak with the
So no new law violations charged. The only thing she has from Ohio was cases from 2024. They just showing held. One of them is a domestic violence, just showing held from 2023. So I'm not sure what happened.
You're showing more domestic violence?
There was a domestic violence from 2023. Pulling up to see. Let me refresh it. It's showing that case was dismissed on 4/2024, and then he has on May 2024, she picked up a theft, and the last disposition just as held.
Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna wait till the results come in. If they are negative, I'm gonna test her again randomly next week. If she ever fails to comply, remain in contact, again, I'm gonna revoke her bond, and I'm not gonna make it just 2501. It's gonna be a high bond because I've over and over. So please let her know that it's absolute no tolerance going forward if she fails to remain in contact with pretrial, or she ever misses another test, and she's supposed to test when we tell her to test. If pretrial calls her and says you need to test on June 25 and she gets it to 26, I'm going to revoke the bond. So you need to let her know, please. Okay. So let's roll it till tomorrow just to see what the results of the test are, and we'll go from there.
Thank you very much.
Okay. But I'm not,
I'll let her know she-
I'm not playing this game with her anymore. It's over. Yeah.
I'll make it clear too.
Okay. Thanks, Mr. Frank.
What was you saying the other day? Are you staying on that one? Oh, he didn't make it today. So we have a drawer and then Tuesday.
Okay.
It's in my mind. Are y'all staying on? Everyone check out since it's in a month. So what's the
Dispatched because of this. Because like.
I get why she was.
You violate someone's rights just because they're actually getting people they find. It's alcohol.
Hey, Avila has a bond violation. I just got the email. Did you see it?
I just got it as well.
Did you see it?
I just got it as well. It's one of the reasons I had to say.
At 12:48 a.m. no less. So he's supposed to stop by today. So let's do this. If he doesn't stop by, let's put him on docket for tomorrow.
Okay, I'll try to call his mother and grandmother.
Okay.
Yeah, I have some more information from the court about his mental condition and his history that may bring some more light on these things, but it's definitely gotten messier and not easier.
I did look at that. We were outside and they said that they got to get wet there. She really, and we were gonna use, like, the whole summer. I told her she go to 49, so she can get it all. You get no, no loss, like she charted quickly. So.
We'll see if he shows up. I mean, they told him to show up. If he doesn't show up, then yeah.
I'm gonna make a call right now. Here.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah, Judge.
Hey, what's up, Mac? You sure? Oh, I'm so sorry, man.
She was with the Andrade stuff, because I've been in the hospital lately with all of that stuff for 3 weeks.
I'm really sorry, man. That sucks. I feel your pain. Are you signing on to it?
Yeah, I mean,
Did you sign on upstairs?
I'm signing on upstairs. I just haven't had an opportunity because I've been out. This is my first kind of week back.
We're not gonna do, I mean, there's nothing that we can do.
Can you sign that term? I mean,
Oh, I don't know about
We're
that.
gonna wait until.
It's a DWI?
yeah.
No. I mean, if he's not done anything on it, I'm not gonna do that. I mean, he just got on probation. I'm willing to extend it.
He did everything.
He was on track to do everything, but then he got kicked out on the.
Has he done anything?
Mhm.
What has he done?
He's completed item P, SOP, 2 of the 3 victim impact panels. He was enrolled, but he got arrested, in the DWI education.
He did do the DWI education, guys?
Mhm.
And he had a blower in his car and there was never a single issue during while on bond or while on probation.
Let me see what Karina says and then we'll.
Sure.
So he only had one VIP left?
Mhm.
Did he ever have any hot blows?
No, he was in compliance. He even paid all of his fees. The only thing was the new charges that predated this.
Yeah, okay. It's not a no.
I got you.
But I have to get her position,
Yeah, sure.
see what she says and then,
Sure.
yeah.
No words.
No, take your time, finish up.
I'm gonna upload it for him so you can look at it.
No, but Karina, finish up with Justin, so he doesn't have to wait.
I'll just look at it and give it to you.
Give me 1 second.
This is on Friday.
Okay.
Is it on docket or no?
Yes. he's in custody.
That's okay. I'm out.
What's that?
Andrade.
Monday, ANDRAD. It was a DWI. It was on probation.
Take that button.
It was a new case that.
They predate.
The DWI. He did everything that was asked of him except for one victim impact panels. He did IOP, SOP, he did no hot blows on his door. He paid all his.
Education course, he paid all of his fees, he even attended a residential treatment program as well, and his community service.
I'm
2 out of 3 victim impact panels.
Okay.
We're just wanting to terminate his probation. That's what I'm asking.
And I'm okay with it if you are. I mean, they predate, we'll just basically,
Yeah, can't find that major anyway, so.
so,
I'm gonna get involved in.
I mean, I can't sat term him because he still has it done, but. Okay,
You want to talk to somebody in the jail and give another victim impact panel?
no, I don't know about that, I don't, right. But it just, we'll still it today.
Thank you.
So, Judge, do you want me to put it as an unset term or just dismiss?
Did we file a motion? Do you have to file a nollie?
No, we didn't file a motion, so I can do an unset term.
Okay, we'll just,
That works.
okay,
Thank you.
all right.
Thanks, Judge.
Well, good luck. Sorry about your dad, man.
Thanks, Judge. I appreciate it. So,
It's the worst thing ever, man.
I know.
It's just my dad's now, what, like low 80 and I'm just,
And, he's also born as well, so it's kind of nice to bounce stuff off of him and talk to him.
my dad's is for all intents and purposes blind,
Mm.
so he can't drive. So I pick him up 3 days a week to take him to go work out. And I work out with him and his son, so all 3 of us go and, do some benching and do cardio because, I don't want him to go anytime soon. So I literally, because he can't drive, so I go pick him up, we go to the J to go work out, just so I know that he stays in shape, so he doesn't just. Because when you get old, it's very easy to just sit at home and do nothing and just, so. I'm gonna keep him active as long as I can,
That's good.
so.
He developed, he had melanoma that started on his head. That was no bigger than the size of a pin, and then, scraped it, moved it, scraped it, and then his lung system had spread.
Oh.
Because he was already he had leukemia and lymphoma through 2012, and so his immune system was already weak from doing all the treatments and everything else, and,
Maybe they just didn't dig it deep enough to get it all out,
he had like
I wonder.
some aggressive squamous going on and everything, and, so he did, 2 different rounds of treatments, and then on the 3rd one, they decided to add a second.
God, getting old
Addition to his
sucks.
context, so to speak, and that created an adverse reaction. And he was a lot of pain, so then my grade, took him from, he was doing the infusions at MD Anderson, and I took him across the street to the ER, and they admitted him, and he was in the ICU for basically 3 weeks, and then, I'm staying with him the whole time, and everything else, and then he went into hospice on, in June the 5th, when he gets to juvenile.
It's something-
Nice.
It's a tough
So, yeah.
Yeah, well, at least he got to live pretty long.
Yeah.
A lot of people can't even make it to 60.
Yeah.
so.
See you, Judge. Y'all take care. Thank you.
Hello?
Are you at home?
Yeah.
Okay, can you go to the tank real quick? There's not enough water in the sump tank, so it needs to be unplugged. Okay, if you open the right side, the bottom right side, open it up, there is a white rectangular thing that's plugged in. Just unplug that.
Like take the plug out of it?
Yeah, you can either take,
Take it out of the.
yeah, take it out of the socket. Yeah, that'll stop it. I need to put more water in the tank. And that's what's going on. There's not enough water in the sump.
Okay,
That's it. That should take care of everything.
all right.
Okay, I'll take care of it today. Yeah. Okay, all right. I thought I did, no? Yeah, of course. Oh, I guess I did. Sorry, my fault. I thought I did. Yeah, okay.
Because I had already processed it, and I was like.
No. Yeah, I'm sorry. I thought I did. I thought I did, and I was waiting for them to sign it, but they hadn't. My fault. Yo, home slice, we done? Come on. Uh-huh.
The street driver goes down. So I'm driving to the street driver.
Okay, guys, you fighting? Come on,
Yes, sir.
come on. Fight, fight. Man, Edge ain't gonna fight with anyone. Come on.
May 14th, Judge Stevens was supposed to come in for plea, failed to appear.
5001. Does the lawyer know? We spoken to
Came
Mike?
by looking for.
Got it, okay.
The other one, Judge, top of 12, Rodriguez. So Justice contacted, he said he may have to be conflicted out. He's looking in the subject. So we're just holding.
It looks like he was still working on it, though.
Judge, he's completed out. That's what we confirmed.
He is.
So.
Reappoint.
That is that, Judge. As far as.
I mean, it's already, do we have anyone here that can?
Do you want me to roll it for tomorrow to see?
No, because she's already here. She's it's good socks coming downtown.
Because it's already getting us.
I know. See if you can, if there's someone, maybe they can call in or something. So they don't have to come all the way down here.
I will.
Bye, Mr. Wong. Have fun, man.
There's one judge that's gonna need your attention, Article 29.
What, where's, did you appoint someone?
Yes, because council said they're withdrawing.
Okay,
I just got that Jonathan Vela is the attorney.
okay. I don't have his phone number, otherwise is she a Spanish speaker? Is it she or he?
Yes, Judge
He.
Spanish. He.
So, hey, Veronica, on Presa, no alcohol, no drugs, guardian interlock, GPS prior to release. No weapons, and then no driving, please.
Hey, just in case, got case today, we bet them those were tickets. That just. We know most of the songs like we heard this I was looking for just No name. Okay. She was here earlier this morning. Sure she's still. To have her sit along. Well, if she actually- well, we have to go there to see this. Okay, thank you so much.
Who got it, Alan? Who got it, Alan?
Stacy Fine, Stacy Childs.
Um,
Earlier this morning.
Yeah,
That was Shamara Parker, the resource officer. I asked her if she could get Stacy to Zoom. If she's not here in person.
no, I need her phone number. You know what? Who else? Who was she here on today?
Stacy?
Yeah, she was here for someone else. Who was it?
An inmate, Foxworth. She just said that was just 6:29.
No, but I'm saying I'm gonna get her phone number. I'm gonna call her.
Oh, okay, Foxworth.
Got it. All right.
Andrea, I'm gonna generate another. That. Or Rodriguez. Because Justin can't be able to hear something. So they're.
I'll see if this person's available.
David Fleischer.
Yes.
Well, they.
Now, because if he's with the, I don't know if you heard him say. He said.
He also sent me
So.
Screenshot.
Yes.
I'm sorry, this person's not available.
I don't think he could be on. I think it was. And then it's like no.
Yeah. So that's one of the reasons why. Some of the generate the meeting.
Stace, hey, you got someone else. Right. So Justin Harris was on it, but he got conflicted out. And so normally we would, because it's so late, just roll or something, but she doesn't have, I don't think she has a place to stay. So that's why it may be hard getting home. So, can you pop in real quick? Or do you want to call? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Log on, pop in, meaning Zoom. Okay, all right, bye. Do you mind, is she out there?
She's meeting with the worker, I'm trying to get her connected with some resources before I find out about the conflict.
I have the lawyer zooming in right now for her though.
Who's it gonna be?
Stacy Childs.
Okay, let me go get to her.
Do you mind, just so I can have the meet, we'll give her the phone number, then they can connect and then.
Sure. I haven't even told her about the issue.
Yeah.
Hey, Judge, get that 167, so how much time?
Is Discovery, do you know if Discovery's complete or not?
No, I haven't talked to Justin at all about.
I mean, I'm at least one, no reset, but no more waived appearances. So she's gonna be here at the next one.
Right, get it confirmed, or do you want me to start working? I would say I started.
Sometimes we.
We try.
And then.
Yeah.
Judge, may I?
Yeah, of course.
Just talking to Mr. Otto's family, he's literally on the way down 49 St. Center.
Oh, good.
To address everything.
Let's hope it's not.
I agree.
So.
I also have some screenshots of the time whenever the alleged incident happened, showing him asleep at the time. Some more information with the court, Judge, he's an intellectually disabled person who had a stroke when he was 10 years old. The stroke was so bad medically that they had to perform surgery into his brain. And that's why he has the giant scar on the back of his head, because they cut into his brain. So they've had difficulty here. I've talked with Karina. I think we have a resolution to the criminal mischief. And my plan is to try to get him to find a day when he can come into here. We can.
What are you thinking?
I was thinking just time served.
No mental health, maybe like. Yeah, but what about, so we can maybe like a mental health, we speak with mental health, get them involved so we can get them on.
Like if they believe that was mental health, they would have done a TRAS or a clinical affair and have that as part of their felony probation condition.
You would think, Karina, I'm with you and you would think, but really the reality is stranger things have happened. I'm fine. Fastly discovering that a lot of people just don't give a rat's, what about people, and it just perpetuates a.
He did, Judge. So because it was without an agreed rack, it seems that the judge was aware that there's mental health concerns considering the stroke and all that. So they were going to get a clinical TRAS prior to approaching without the agreed rack at that time, and then they pushed Judge without an agreed rack, and Judge gave a 5-year deferred.
So they never did the TRAS.
They did the TRAS
They did.
before they approached for the without an agreed
Huh.
rack. The only thing that I cannot see, because it was without an agreed rack, is what conditions Judge gave.
I wonder what the TRAS recommended if they,
And I don't see a TRAS.
I mean, and number one, number two, he's on deferred. Is this something we want to, we should wait, right?
My concern is just putting more things on his plate. And I spoke with his mother and his grandmother, who are both involved in his life. And they're expending a lot of their own resources and time just trying to keep him moving forward. He prior to this incident was in a halfway house at some point. While he was there, he had to take all of his vital documentation, his social security.
You think we should take it off?
The monitor? I mean, that would be my request, Judge.
What do you think?
He's moved. I don't see a resolution for us going through the mischief other than just the time served.
it's not gonna revoke.
Do you
his
know, I think
felony.
okay, that's my
Yeah,
concern.
it's not gonna revoke Judge because it happened on the same day. So it's not like a new law office that he picked up and was
Okay.
filed with me.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right,
That's-
right,
that's
I
why
remember,
I said
okay,
that
all right.
shouldn't have filed.
It's up to you, whatever you want to do then. If,
I don't think that they were concerned about this level of conviction on his record, giving what he has. And
Are you okay with taking the monitor off?
I'm not okay until he pleads judge, just because they had expressed some recent concerns. But he has moved out of the location, and like, they said they lived close by, they're like neighbors, I assume.
Okay.
He's having concerns with him coming by, but because he's moved out, I don't anticipate that being an issue, but I would want to.
So then let's not put it on docket tomorrow. If you're telling me that you're selling that he was asleep at the time and
that's.
have you shown Chris that she can,
These are so this is the, photographs that they sent me. He's sleeping on the floor, which people do.
Yeah.
And so they said it happened at shortly after midnight. And these are the timestamps on camera. So I don't know what happened. He's heading down there right now to do that.
so we'll just keep it on what it was normal set. We'll not put it on for tomorrow and then we'll
Okay.
just continue supervision.
I think it is quite a ways out, Judge, so I may move it up, honestly.
Whatever you want. Yeah. Whatever you want. I mean,
Thank you.
really, just
You did your second.
wonderful.
So,
Great.
and I'm looking through the conditions, Judge, we did have, educational skill level has to be submitted. So it looks like he did do the clinical TLAS before. They have inpatient, outpatient programs and any aftercare. He must reside with his grandmother, was one of the conditions.
Okay,
So they did take into education program and all that stuff in the.
okay,
condition.
sweet. Okay, yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, for sure. Deputy Williams, do you mind grabbing Miss Rodriguez? Because Stacy just.
Thank you. I know, yeah, I want to probably stay on our streets. Like this, there's no one else. I'm gonna try to not get stuck in piece of trash.
Yes, good luck.
Thanks, Drew. Have a good day.
I don't suggest it all.
They're not in one of the witness rooms?
I did, and I went to the hallway over there. Justin's number right there.
Yeah, I have his arm. I'm gonna call him right now. Did she leave?
We're right across the hall.
Okay. I've got the lawyer here.
Here with her, there's stuff on spread. I had a feedback number. I just found out about the chocolate extension. So we'll be right over there. Give them
Okay.
30 seconds.
Thanks. Bye.
Okay.
They were across the hall.
Yeah, she thought it needed to be for it. Which is good. There's some, you said in the English and interlock and the Germany.
And, yeah, okay, I guess, that's correct. Is there a game today? He just always comes like this or what? Mr. D, what's up?
That's not my name, Jose Cruz.
He was good.
I told you, my name is Jose Cruz. Where y'all come on with this John Dixon stuff? Jose Cruz. Good boy, how you doing? Good to see you, Your Honor.
So you going to the game?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
And one momento, we're gonna win today, all right?
No, I mean, she went.
Yeah.
Well, she did. She did.
She's not the complaint. It's not on.
Boy, still at it. You're so great. Is tomorrow busy?
Yes, because today. So we had a lot of.
I'm gonna take off.
We'll make that video taste good. No Coca-Cola today.
I'm surprised that with all, is it bad weather outside? How
No,
is it?
sir.
Not at all?
It's sunshine now.
Really?
Great.
So it's just, are they just trying to scare us or what?
Yeah, sunshine is out.
Mm.
Actually, the sun is out there. Yeah. Peace out, everybody.
Have a fun, have a great time at the game.
All right, Jeff, thank you all. Now we say, okay. Hey, Jeff.
Sorry, Stace. I asked them to come in. I don't know where they are.
Oh, it's okay.
Hopefully they'll come soon.
Judge, can we ask her if she's attached already? So not an attachment,
Say, huh?
or Miss Stacy, if she's attached, if not, I can attach her.
Yeah, I think I already signed an order.
Okay.
And the attorney says you can give the motion to settle with the commission. Yes. Judge, for Silverdale earlier, they said they can review the TRS if you want. But right now, they're just recommending that he stays on the mental health caseload and while they prepare him to get into veterans support. 20. Okay. So it's up to you.
Is it an exercise in futility, as they say? You know, are they gonna just do the same thing? Yeah, then no, I mean, I don't want to waste everybody's time. Come on up, ma'am. Ms. Rodriguez, coming up. If you look at the screen, you see there is Miss Stacy. She's been appointed to represent you. That is your new lawyer now, ma'am. So your case is old. It's 167 days. We're going to give you one reset, but you might need to meet with the lawyer between now and then to go over all the evidence to see where we're going to start heading. We set cases for trial at 180 days. We don't just keep resetting it. Your case is what, 167, you said? So it's time to start figuring out how we're going to start heading to a completion. I'm going to have you sign a reset. You must appear at the next setting. We're going to give you a sheet of paper that has her phone number. You need to get together with her, not physically, but at least speak today at some point.
With her.
Correct.
Okay.
She's a lawyer that's been appointed to represent you. So,
30 days, Judge?
yeah, do you want to, Stacey, you want to give me a date?
Yes, we can come back on July 2nd.
Yeah, it's up to you. Yeah, sure.
July 2nd works.
Okay, we're gonna have you sign a reset. It has her phone number on it, right?
I'll write it on there. Is discovery complete?
For the trespass, yes. And I guess Stacy and I will talk about everything else that's on the.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stacy, she doesn't have a phone, so I'm gonna, you give her my cell phone and let her call you from that, and so y'all can figure out how she's gonna call you again later.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
It's a 512 area code, it'll pop up on your phone.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Stacy, for coming back. Appreciate it.
Oh, no problem.
Okay.
right,
I'll,
take care.
see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Your reset, and then you're free to go.
Yeah, just let me know when I gotta sign.
You signed it earlier. I just wasn't.
Okay.
I think we're
So this is your attorney, that's her contact. Okay. All right.
Right.
Oh,
Yeah, we're done.